morning, teacher,
and hello, my lovely classmate. Today I'm going to present you about my project, how to develop 4 skills in English. So before get started, I would like to introduce myself to you guys first. My name is Dasuli Darwin. I'm 11 years old, study at Idea Takao campus, level TP1B. And my friend Hira gonna introduce himself to you guys too.
Hello everyone, my name is Sotira. I'm 9 years old. I'm studying on level TP1B in Idea School, Takao campus. And today I want to tell you how to develop 4 skills in English.
Hello everyone, my name is Natalia. I'm 8 years old. I study at Idea in level TP1B. Today I want to tell you about how to develop 4 skills in English. Okay guys, so now let's start our presentation about how to develop 4 skills in English. So first one, we're gonna tell you how to develop about writing skill. You can develop writing skill by review grammar, vocabulary, and read what you want to write. The more you practice, the more you learn. Before submit the article that you already wrote, please check the spelling and grammar.
Hello everyone, I'm gonna tell you how to develop listening.
When listening, focus on the speaker's main ideas. Jot down key points to help you remember.
The more you listen, the more you hear. Go back to a text that you have listened before. Practice listening for more idea. You are using a book to study, then this can be a great source for listening text. Now Darwin tell you how to develop reading skill for all of you.
Okay, so I'm gonna tell you about how reading skills.
The cat sat on the mat. The dog ran to the park. The sun is very bright today.
To develop your reading skill, you need to read constantly across varied materials like newspaper, books, storybooks, and articles. You need to read one by one, fix your pronunciations, and you need a lot of time to practice more your pronunciation. So my friend Leah gonna tell you how to develop speaking skills. For how you can develop your speaking skills.
Good morning. Today, I'll discuss climate change. As you see, rising sea levels and extreme weather are major effects.
By practice more vocabulary and your pronunciation. Thank you everyone for listening. I wish you guys have just listened to how to develop 4 skills in English. I wish you guys learn a lot of things from my presentation.